learn English alphabet with two examples. Let's start. A for apple. A for alligator. B for banana. B for boy. C for cat. C for car. D for dog. D for duck. E for elephant. E for egg. F for fish. Next, F for flower. Very good. G for grapes. G for guava. H for hen. H for horse. I for ice cream. I for iron. J for jug. J for jackfruit. K for king. K for kitten. Simple. L for lotus. L for lion. M for monkey. M for mango. N for nest. N for nail. O for orange. O for onion. P for parrot. P for pumpkin. Q for queen. Q for white. R for rabbit. R for rocket. S for sun. S for sheep. T for tiger. Next, T for tractor. U for unicorn. U for umbrella. Simple. V for van. V for kids. Volcano. W for watch. W for whale. X for X-Factory. X for xylophone. Y for yoga. Y for yak. Z for zoo. Z for zebra. Well done. Please like, share and subscribe.